The television program, 60 Minutes, recently aired a critical episode focusing on Donald Trump's actions against major law firms, despite his numerous complaints about the show and its parent company. The episode featured interviews with lawyers and firms targeted by Trump's executive orders, which aimed to sever their ties with the federal government. Host Scott Pelley acknowledged the difficulty in getting participants to speak on camera. Mark Elias, a longtime opponent of Trump and mentioned in a March executive order, criticized these actions as an attack on the legal profession. Elias compared Trump's tactics to those of a mob boss, suggesting that law firms were being intimidated into compliance. Elias first encountered Trump in 2016 as Hillary Clinton's campaign lawyer and again in 2020, when he opposed Trump's efforts to challenge election results. Perkins Coie, Elias' former firm, was accused by Trump of engaging in unlawful practices due to their involvement in investigations related to him or his associates. A federal judge recently blocked the executive order against Perkins Coie, deeming it unconstitutional retaliation. Trump's executive orders against law firms have included revoking security clearances and terminating government contracts. This has led to a crisis within the legal profession, with some firms suing the Trump administration, while others have agreed to provide pro bono work for the administration to avoid repercussions. 9 major law firms have negotiated deals with the White House, collectively agreeing to provide nearly $1 billion in legal services for causes supported by Trump. Among them was Skadden, Arps, Slate, Meeker, and Flom, which agreed to provide $100 million worth of pro bono work. Brenna Frey, a lawyer who left the firm in protest, expressed concerns about the firm's willingness to comply with the administration's demands. John Kecker, a prominent attorney from San Francisco, suggested that Trump's actions resembled a protection racket, equating them to bribery. He argued that offering something of value in exchange for an official act is a violation of legal norms. Even 60 Minutes has faced repercussions from Trump's campaign. Paramount, CBS parent company, is involved in a legal dispute with the government. Trump frequently criticizes 60 Minutes on social media, which reportedly led Paramount executive Shari Redstone to request the show delay critical stories about Trump until after a significant corporate merger. In the previous week's episode, 60 Minutes criticized its parent company for yielding to Trump, which resulted in the departure of the show's chief, Bill Owens. Pelley commented on the situation, stating that Owens resigned because he felt he lost the independence required for honest journalism.